Welcome back everyone. Today I will show you how to create a running route on Google Maps in just a few taps. Right now in this video I will demonstrate how you can easily do this directly on your mobile phone. First, open the Google Maps app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then tap on the direction icon on the page and first enter your starting location. Next, search for your destination. This could be anywhere from a nearby park to a specific address. Wait a moment for the process to complete. After that, click on the walking icon so that Google Maps generates a route suitable for running. As you can see, it will now display the best route for your run. If you zoom in on the map, you will notice additional alternative options and suggestions. You will see different paths available, each taking a slightly different amount of time. If you want to switch to one of these alternative routes, simply tap on the second path or option once. As you can see, it completely changes the route. Now you can customize this route even further to suit your preferences. If there is a specific path you want to run along or an area you would like to avoid, tap Add Stop at the bottom of the page. You can then search for that location by name and edit it as a waypoint along your route. If you want to add even more stops, you can insert additional breaks or waypoint along the way in the exact same manner. The app will automatically recalculate the entire journey and distance for you. You can add as many stops as you like, giving you full freedom to customize your exact running route. Once you have added all your stops and select your preferred route, simply tap Start or Preview to begin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.